Okay guys, I'm gonna tell you something. I'm almost gonna get my second bone blossom. That's the bone blossom right there. This is the dog. There we go! Look up there, look up here. Receive bone blossom for completing quest. Restart. Loading. Okay, harvest 5 dragon fruits. Finally got it. By the way, I already have a burning bed. That means I don't need to reclaim it. I need to reclaim the burning bed and reclaim other fruits. 5 dragon fruits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where else? There's my 4, 1, 4, 5. Up. There. Hold on. Before that, let's...
Pupunta ako sa class ko.
Anong oras?
Mag-class mo kami.
Okay. So guys, I'm gonna move the... May burning bug.
Walang galero.
So, mga friends mo? Ha?
Tingnan mo.
English dapat.
Strawberry.
Still a garden.
Yeah, what the still garden?
Oh, by the way, there was a godly sprinkler. May godly sprinkler kanina. Let's use a trowel. A trowel burning bud.
May mo.
Replace it right here. Place it right here. Burning bud. Burning bud lang there. Your garden grew while you were gone.
It's a flash bang.
Flash bang! If you guys don't know what this flash is,
Yeah, the bone blossom.
I'm actually eating some apples.
Where's your bone? Where's your bone?
Blossom?
Look at this. Where's your bone? It's
Oh, God. Look right here.
look at this.
Hmm?
Look at this.
Can you look at my... Hold on. Look at your screen. I'm standing on bones.
It's a ghost. It's a ghost.
Right here, look right here. I'm standing on bookshelf. Eh? What is happening?
If you stop, wait, I log out my character.
Why?
It's a save.
Lag! Yay.
I will log out.
Let's place the bone blossom. We're gonna leave for 30 minutes.
Join me.
Wait. Let's trowel this guy. There.
Let's go to
Hold on, that game.
the strongest battlegrounds.
Oh, that's one of my favorite though.
What's your favorite to world?
Guys, I'm gonna teach you how to get... Sorry for that. For the bone blossom, this is the bone blossom seed right here, as you can see.
Your favorite character?
Hold on.
It's
Gonna teach you how to get it. First, you wanna go to the middle of the map, talk to her, right here. Go to show me do the quest, do all the quests until you get the banggaan. It will be different each hour, and the easiest way to get it is gonna do a lot of these guys. 500 strawberries again? Are you finished, you Mr. 500 Strawberry? Hello. Pumpkin. Do I have any pumpkin? Pumpkin. Oh, good. I have 10 pumpkin seeds. Bum ba dum bum 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 ba rum. Dum ba da rum bum da rum bum. Mama. What's that?
Don't know, what have you been?
Bile. Ano po yan? What?
Lotion.
Okay. Let's continue. Let's go to the gear shop and get one of my quests going. Ay, ito po. Wala yung gusto mo, Apple? See? Best. Yay! Basic. Oh no, masita. Dang it, a peach. Peach again. Ano ang peach? Cactus! Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm getting the worst luck ever. Okay guys, let's run.